How's it going, everyone? I'm Cody, and I'm going to show you how to do your first pull-up. Alright, so we're going to start with 10 to 20 incline presses. These are pretty easy, and depending on the angle that you do it at, you're going to be able to adjust to your fitness level. When I do an exercise like this, I like to change my grip to make sure I'm targeting different muscle groups. Moving on, we're going to talk a little bit about the incline chin-ups here. This is going to be harder than the incline press, so I'd go for about 5 to 10 reps if you're first starting out. Chin-ups are going to target more of your bicep than your back, so I would just keep that in mind when you're working out. Next, we're going to look at 10 to 20 leg-assisted muscle-ups. You're going to be jumping into these like you see me doing. This is going to target your forearm, and if you're looking to do a muscle-up later, this is the way to go. Next, we're going to look at some push-ups. You can either do the assisted push-ups with your knees down or just normal push-ups. Try to aim for about 10 to 20 repetitions on each of these, and it'll really help you get to your pull-ups much faster. We're going to take a look at some core exercises now to work on your stabilization. So this isn't the most active exercise, but it'll help us keep our core tight when we're doing our pull-ups. All right, so we're on the bar. When you're just starting out, I'd make sure you know how long. It's going to be pretty tough at first, but after about a few weeks, you should be able to hold it for about 60 seconds. And after you're solid on the first couple exercises there, I'd move on to these leg raises. With these, we're just making sure we are bringing our feet all the way up, perpendicular to our body, and trying to minimize the swinging. With these here, we're going to make sure we're sticking our feet over the bar and pressing all the way up. So after you can hold the bar and you've trained that core a little bit, you're going to be able to do these twisting motions on the bar. You're going to have core muscles that go in different directions, and this is a good way to make sure you hit all of them. So do this workout for about 3 to 6 weeks, and you should be able to do at least 5 to 7 pull-ups after. I'm going to finish us out here with my 50 pull-ups that I do every day. Thanks for watching. Next, we're gonna look at some. Next, I'm gonna show you a few core exercises to work on your stabilization. And next here, I'm gonna show you some core exercises that help with the stabilization.